Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenos noches, buenos dias, whatever the time of day it is, you already know the same by now. Hello, welcome, what's up? If you're new here, my name is Shantell Styles, and if you are a returning subscriber or whatever, welcome back, family, welcome back. I hope you're blessed and I hope you're well. Today's wig is a 24-inch wig, closure wig, 4x4, and you guys know I don't really like closures. It ended up being this cute, you know, 90s, well, attempted 90s, like layered. But yeah, this came out super cute. I'm gonna jump straight into the install today. The hair is by Allove hair, so thank you to them for sponsoring today's video, and kick back and unwind and stay tuned. So I did try and attempt to dye this wig. I tried to watercolor it jet black, but I don't really think like it did much, but we move. Okay, so let's throw this bad boy on. It's a very tight little snug fit right there. Now I'm just making a quick part. It's actually a 4x4 closure, and I don't think I've I don't think I've done a 4x4 on my channel, so this should be interesting. I'm not a big fan of closures, full stop, but I think they're great for work and just practical everyday life. Frontals are definitely high maintenance, and you know, they require a lot of work. So I thought it would be good to, you know, switch it up a little bit, get a closure in there, you know what I'm saying? And not everyone likes frontals, you know, or people like frontals, but not everyone has the patience and, you know, the time to deal with them. Closures, you pop that bad boy on and go. So as mentioned, I did try and dye this wig jet black, but I don't know, it does look pretty dark, it does look pretty black to me, but there was just something about it that I wasn't too sure about. It didn't come out jet black, it just came out black, if that makes sense. One break. So I'm actually going to be installing my wig with Got To Be spray today. Because it's a closure, I just don't really feel the need to put an adhesive on it. So I'm just going to go in with my makeup. Can't have no white lace when I'm brown. I mean, if that's your cup of tea, then that's your cup of tea, but you know what I'm saying? I need my things to match. I need my things to match. I'm gonna flip this back down. This wig is kind of on the thin side for me. I'm gonna do a different method today. I'm actually whoa. I think it's the chili flame in those chips that caught me, but as I was saying, I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be spray, try a different method today, spray on top of the lace, and then wrap it down, style the hair, and then pretty much come back to the top of the lace and snip, snip, snip. Gonna tie that. Oh! It's always the case. Okay, so now that that's tied down, I'm just gonna style the rest of my hair. Not really sure how I want to style this. I might do some layers. Let's see. So here I'm just showing you how the hair is, the density of it. As you can see, the bottom is quite thin. So I decided to go in and cut it. I think I might cut it to about here. Yeah.
So here I decided to start styling the hair, so I'm just sectioning it off so it's easier to manage and deal with.
I think I might even attempt to do like a 90s layered cut. Let's see if I can finesse it with a closure. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is literally just straighten out all this hair, which I'm probably gonna like fast forward because I'm just straightening hair. And then I'm gonna come back and show you the cut. Basically like cut it and then bump it. Okay, so I finished straightening my hair. Just gonna flatten the top. Okay. So now I'm basically gonna cut the hair in layers. So I don't know if you can see that, but that's kind of how it's come out. So I'm just gonna do the other side. If you saw the way I almost dropped my mirror. Ooh.
You guys are probably watching me struggle right now. My scissors were so blunt. These are actually not shears for cutting hair, but I mean, this was the closest thing I could find, and I was not getting up to get my other scissors, so I definitely struggled, but it came out cute in the end. So at this point, I'm just straightening the hair. It's only towards the end that I started bumping it in more, so I suggest, you know, really flicking the end of the straightener as you approach the ends from the beginning. But it kind of came out. I would say they were subtle, so I did have to go back in, you know, and do this again.
I just realized my middle part is not middle, but we move. Almost took out my eye. Okay, so that's kind of lifted my lace a little bit, so what I'm going to do is recenter my part and then stick my lace back down. Just gonna have to do. So I'm too tipsy to keep doing this. I'm gonna put this band back on because I need this part to be laid. Oh, so you can have a little layer going on, or you can have 90s going on. Yeah, this part is definitely not straight, but it works. It's like off center, diagonal, whatever it won't do. But this is the finished look. this install really didn't go as planned, but I think it came out cute. So hopefully you enjoyed watching it. You know, I literally had no idea at the start of this video this was going to be the end result, especially starting off with a 24-inch wig. But you know, sometimes these detours can be the best. So hopefully you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I shall surely see you in my next video. Adios, amigas.